Over the past 70 years, Morris Industries has established a reputation for excellence in the farm equipment industry. Today, Morris stands out as a world leader in seeding and tillage technology. The key to initial success was the ability of company founder George Morris to understand farmers' needs because he listened to their concerns. He understood that to be successful, you have to not only meet but exceed customer expectations. Morris Industries has achieved long-term success by maintaining this fundamental commitment to customers. This commitment is reflected today in the company's mission statement. One of the company's most recent advances in product design and manufacturing excellence is the Concept 2000 Air Seeding and Tillage System, a dual-purpose system capable of exceptionally accurate placement of seed and fertilizer in any field conditions, and also meeting all your cultivation needs. When it comes to benefits that mean the most to farmers today, accuracy, versatility, dependability, and value, the Concept 2000 is truly in a field of its own. All farmers are concerned with increasing productivity while decreasing labor and input costs. Soil and moisture conservation are also important to producers. The Concept 2000 stands out as one of the most versatile machines on the market, allowing you to work in the heaviest stubble conditions, combining operations such as seeding, fertilizing, weeding, and packing, all in a single pass.
The Concept 2000 that we're using is definitely ahead of things that we've used in the past as far as cultivators and tanks and metering, and the floating hitch and the independent frames work very well in the various contours that we do have.
Unsurpassed flexibility and contourability is a trademark of Morris's floating frame design, featuring independent wing sections. Floating frames with a tricycle suspension and patented frame coupling allow the wings to adjust and follow the contours of the land, assuring flexibility while minimizing stress on the frame member joints. Independent hitch trusses are used to pull the frames, distributing loads induced by the trips evenly across the hitching, while reducing stress on the frame members. This innovative design combines strength and flexibility to enhance durability.
It's got the shortest contour in the industry, and with a floating frame, you have something that falls to the ground like no other piece of equipment on the market.
Walking beam axles allow the wheels to literally walk right over trash, and at the same time maintain consistent depth for seeding or tilling. Strategic tire placement improves trash clearance, and a unique lifting linkage lifts the front tire on the wing walking axles when turning on headlands to eliminate gouging and ridges for a smoother field finish. The walking beams require no greasing of pivot points for maintenance-free operation. Many farmers are working in reduced tillage operations, and that can mean challenging conditions. The Concept 2000 meets the challenge, offering the ultimate in trash clearance. A 4-row Z-trip pattern, extra high frame-to-ground clearance, and increasing spacing between ranks in the frame keeps the trash moving from front to back, with less chance for buildup or plugging.
One of the main reasons that we got going in the direction of the Concept 2000 was that we wanted to achieve a better field finish. We've found that we've never seen much better.
Even when you're not in the field, the Concept 2000 outperforms the competition. Wings that fold over center assure stability in transport position. A 12-inch clearance from sweeps to ground in transport makes it easy to travel over crowned roads. Accuracy is one of the most important concerns for today's farmers, and the Concept 2000 delivers with accurate and dependable depth control features.
It's a machine that when you set the depth, it stays right there. It doesn't pop out of the ground if you hit a hard spot, or when you get in a soft spot, it just maintains excellent depth control.
A hydraulic depth control system is standard for tillage operations. Set machine depth easily with a convenient single-point adjustment, accessible at the front of the machine. The Concept 2000 features 2 shank assembly options. The new 755LH trip is the market leader, combining the best features of the standard spring cushion trips and over-center trip assemblies. The initial trip-out force of 750 pounds drops to 600 pounds as the initial preload is exceeded. The high return force ensures consistent working depth, even in heavy clay soils. The unique tripping characteristic reduces stress on the trip components and frame members, greatly extending service life of the machine. The 400-pound spring cushion trip assembly, combined with the Concept 2000's unique frame, provides excellent contourability and flexibility, along with low maintenance. The trip force starts at 400 pounds and builds to a maximum of 600 pounds at a 4-inch tripping height. The force drops to 370 pounds at a maximum trip height of 12 inches. Both trips are ideal for direct seeding, minimum tillage, or conventional seeding. Morris provides a full range of single and double chute ground openers, including the all-purpose gumbo boot, effective in all soil conditions, including heavy gumbo soils.
We go from sand to gumbo to some rocky stuff, and we've never had any problem.
The Concept 2000 is available with a range of options which offer even greater versatility for multi-purpose operations, adding value by reducing time and labor and enhancing soil and moisture conservation. Mounted harrows are effective in breaking up lumps as well as spreading and firming soil. Mounted packers provide on-row packing for excellent seed-to-soil contact. The packers conserve moisture by packing directly behind each shank, and the V-Packer groove offers protection for new seedlings. Morris has developed a new dedicated arm with increased down pressure for mounting harrows or packers. Simply remove a single pin to change from one to the other. The shank-mounted ground rod option allows you to combine operations in one pass, weed and pack soil while you're seeding and fertilizing. The elements of advanced engineering incorporated in the Concept 2000 seeding and tillage system are also prominent in the Morris 7000 series air seeder cart. Excellence in design and engineering have created a system which integrates technology to ensure optimum performance in a wide variety of field situations. The Morris metering system is unparalleled in its ability to provide the accuracy so important to air seeding operations. Unique spiral-fluted metering wheels allow the product to gently roll into the airstream in a continuous manner. It delivers a consistent flow of product into the airstream, far superior to the uneven dumping of straight-fluted metering wheels. The Posi-Drive transmission ensures accuracy and smooth metering at all times. This smooth and continuous flow is maintained by Morris's patented flat fan divider head, which eliminates abrupt flow changes found in conventional vertical divider heads. The divider head outlets on the seeding tool are matched with metering wheel width for improved overall accuracy. Even distribution to secondary hoses provides increased accuracy and efficiency. Tanks are available in tow-between and tow-behind configurations, ranging in capacity from 130 to 300 bushels with a 60-40 split. Expanded capacity means less time filling and more time in the field. Morris has developed the 7000 series with an emphasis on superior performance, safety, and convenience.
Morris air cart has 2 compartments with a walkway in between. It's very safe, virtually impossible to fall off a machine.
Ladders on each side provide simple and safe access to the platform. A double-hinged auger enables one person to easily handle loading or unloading. The metering system is designed for simple calibration. Seed rate charts are conveniently situated on the side of the tank, next to the meter systems, making adjustment simple and fast. Clean-out doors and a high clearance frame allows the auger to swing freely under any tank for complete clean-out when changing crops, ideal for multi-crop operations. With Morris's third tank option, the operator is able to incorporate 3 applications in one pass, significantly reducing both time and expense factors. Now, producers have the option of placing their starter fertilizer with their seed, while deep banding additional fertilizer at the same time. Switching from double chute to single chute is hassle-free with the simple-to-use diverter valve. The third tank is capable of metering the new granular inoculant used on pulse crops such as peas and beans. This allows for precise placement of the inoculant in the soil with the seed. With the granular tank option, farmers have the capability of triple shooting. This allows the customer to broadcast granular herbicide on the soil surface, while at the same time accurately placing seed and fertilizer at 2 different levels in the soil. The many efficiencies of the Concept 2000 system make it possible for farmers to more effectively control input costs and at the same time increase productivity. And the company's long-standing commitment to quality and dependability ensures today's farmers that the Concept 2000 delivers the utmost in value.
The boys at Morris have been excellent. Our local dealer has been superb. Service and support is number one.
Simple, effective, and reliable. I think that's the one thing about Morris that stands apart from everybody else.
The Concept 2000 seeding and tillage system from Morris Industries, featuring the advantages of innovation and quality, assuring farmers that after 70 years of excellence, Morris Industries continues to believe in meeting and exceeding the needs and expectations of the farm customer.